Hi, my name is Joshua Ward, and I'm the Associate Artistic Director and Resident Director of Ruddy Productions.
And I'm Amanda Jones. I'm the Director of Development.
Over 90% of our Ruddy company members and guest artists are alums from the Maggie Flanagan Studio.
One of the things that we learned from Maggie was how to take risks. She taught us to jump off the cliff. So we've decided to take a giant risk to put up a play.
This is our first major feature play. We were a Fringe favorite this past summer in the 2016 Fringe with Sinners on the Southbound Bus, and we've had great success with New Works festivals, but it was time to jump off that cliff and really take a chance in Matthew McLaughlin's new play, Orion. First time I read this play, I was like, holy this is something.
This play is about messy breakups, their effect on our lives, and how they can hold us back.
This play is about the cause and effect of the choices that we make in our lives.
This play explores the question of how you move on in the face of something really devastating.
This play is about the breakdown of love.
Unfortunately, to actually make it come to fruition, it comes to $17,000.
$17,000.
It does get us a theater at Theater Row on 42nd Street.
Off-Broadway.
It gets the best costumes, full sets with projection.
And this play is raw. It's something extremely special.
It's all about relationships, period, I would say, because, it's everyone's breakup here.
We know it's $17,000 to put this play up, to produce your American premiere of Orion. The theater itself is $10,000, and that is just our 3-week rent. And we need your help to make that possible. But that's not where it ends. There's another $7,000 to $10,000 to make this play come to life with set design, and lighting design, and costume design, and paying our tremendously talented actors and our creative team. We have, through a lot of hard work, gotten this budget down to the bare bones minimum. And the fact of the matter is that we cannot do this play for any less than $17,000.
Matt's worked so hard on this. We've been workshopping it for a year, and it's gonna be great because we're stellar. Stellar.
Stellar.